like an emotional dialogue, and that was really good. He did good at that. But like he was just like I couldn't really take him seriously.
Oh, sure. The book we just started for Lit in the Environment, like our last book, is like straight up like climate change horror type. It's like a dystopian. Apparently it ends hopeful, but it's so weird because it's set in 2025, or like it starts in 2025.
See, that would fuck with me.
And I'm like, oh, this is weird.
Yeah.
What do you do about a book that is set on a date, right? But it's supposed to be like futuristic. Because like now she wrote it in 2020 too, or it came out in 2020, and so literally like set in 2025. I'm reading it in 2025, and I'm like, this isn't happening. We're not at this point. And obviously she's not going to predict the future, but it's so weird.
Yeah.
Because like the book opens with like this horrific heat wave that happens in India. And it's like awful and so like aggressive, and it kills so many people because like it gets like 130 degrees.
Oh my gosh.
Fahrenheit in India. And it's like, this is so weird.
Like weird as in like, oh, I can see this happening today? Or?
No, opposite. Like weird as in like we're in 2025 and we're not at the breaking point yet.
Which is good.
Which is good. It is good.
Is that hopeful for you?
Net neutral?
Okay.
It's sort of just like it's making me wonder.
Yeah.
And we have to write a research paper maybe about this book, and I'm like, what if I write it about setting your book in a time that is rapidly approaching?
That'd be interesting.
Because like you could argue that for 1984, right? Mm-hmm. Where it's like you put a hard date on something that's supposed to be dystopian, supposed to be futuristic, and it's like, well, once you get there, then what?
That's kind of, not to bring it back to this again, but that's kind of how I felt for like Snowpiercer.
Yeah.
Because like, do you know the story of Snowpiercer? It's climate change.
Yes.
And everyone's like, oh crap.
Don't they try to like mitigate climate change and then they go way too far in the other direction?
They shoot this like cooling chemical into the atmosphere, and it causes like the second ice age.
Yes.
And I'm like, would we ever do that?
When is it set? Do you remember? Like what year?
Hold on. Sorry. Okay, they put the stuff into the atmosphere in 2014.
That's so weird.
Yeah, and then 2017 is when it starts to go to shit.
Damn.
And then the train leaves in 2020.
That's so weird. Could you imagine making a movie that's going to come out in 2014 that's like, we're going to do something dumb?
Yeah.
This year.
I mean, I guess there's a lot of movies like that.
They are. Like, what's the
like
one?
28 Days